Sounds like he's saying homeless kitty.
Saying hello kitty. Who loves kitty?
I'm not. No, I'm not.
Speaking caveman.